Roy G. Bradley of Sacramento, California, bet the opposite problem. The listing as a good prospect for a sales position, talking himself into a job with Bradley. Firm Roy reported being a small broker firm. We had a frying benefit such as hospitalization, medical insurance, and pension. Every representative is an independent agent. We do not even provide leads for prospect, as we cannot advertise for them as your larger competitors do. Richard Pryor had the type of experience he wanted for this position, and he was interviewed first by my assistant, who told him about all the related to this job. He seemed slightly discouraged when he come into any office. I mentioned the one benefit of being associated with my firm, what of being an independent contractor and therefore virtually being self-employed. As be talking about this advantage to me be talking himself out of each negative thought he had when he come in for the interview several times in cement, as thought he was half taking to himself as he was thinking thought each thought. At times I was tempted to add to his thought. However, as the interview come to a close, I felt he had convinced himself very much on his own that he would like to work for my firm, because I had been a good listener as led Dick to most of the talking. He was able to weigh both sides fairly in this mind, and he's come to the positive conclusion which was a challenges in created for himself. We hired him, and he has been as outstanding representative for your firm. Even your friends would much rather talk to us about their achievement than listening to us boast about your L- La Rochefort. The French philosopher said, "If you want, if you want enemies, excel your friends. But you are friends, let your friends excel you." Why is that true? Because when your friends excel us, they feel important, but when we excel them, they or at least some of them will feel inferior and envious. Why is that true? Because when your friend excels, they feel important, but when you excel them, they, or at least some of them, will feel inferior and envious. By far all the best like it placement consular in the Midtown personal agency in New York City was Henrietta G. But is his not always been that way. During the first few months of her association with the agency, Henrietta did not have a single friend among her colleges. Why? Because every day he would brag about the placement she had made, a new accounts he had opened, and anything else she had accomplished. I was good at my work and proud of it, Henrietta told once of your classes, but instead of my colleges. Sharing my sharing my trims, they seemed to present them. I wanted to be like by these people. I really wanted them to be my friends. After listening to some of the suggestions made in the course, I started to talk about myself less and listen more. My associate, they also had things to boast about, and we are more excited about telling me about their accomplishment than about listening to my boasting. Now when have to some time to chat, I ask them to share their joys with me, and I only mention my achievement when they ask. How to get cooperation? Do not you have much more faith in ideas that you discover for yourself than in ideas that are handed to you can a silver platter? If so, is not to bad judgment to try to ram your opinion down the throat of other people. Is it wiser to make suggestion and let the other person think out the conclusion? Adolf Seeds of Philadelphia sales manager in an automobile showroom and a student in one of my courses suddenly found himself confronted with the necessity of injecting atheism into a disconnect and disorganized group of automobile sales pupil. Selling a sales meeting, he urged his pupil to tell him exactly what they expected from him as they talked the wrote their ideas on a blackboard. He then said, I second give you all what I have a right on expect from your. The replies come quick and fast: loyalty, honesty, innovative optimism, teamwork. 8 hours a day of atheistic work. The meeting ended with a new courage, a new inspiration. One salesperson volunteered to work for Scene 4 a day, and Mr. Sees reported to me that the increase of sales was phenomenal. The pupil had made the sort of moral boring with me, said Mr. Chase, as a long of lived up to my part. in my days where they were determined to live up to their constitution them about their wishes and desires was just the shot in the arm they needed. No one liked to feel that he or she is being old something or old to do thing. We much prefer to feel that you are buying off your own record or acting on your own ideas. We like to be consulting about your wishes and want your thought. Take a ca- Take the case of Eugene's vision. The lost countless thousands of dollars in commission before he learned this truth. Mr. Vision sold sketches for a studio that created design for stylists and textile manufacturers. Mr. Vision had called on one of the leading stylists in New York once in week every week of 3 years. The never refused to see me, said Mr. Wilson, but he never bought. He always leaked over my sketches very carefully and then said, "No reason, I guess we do not get together today." After 150 Fulia Vision realized he must be in a mental right, so he resolved to devote one evening a week to the study of in influencing human behavior to help have him develop new ideas and generate new enthusiasm. फिर बहुत बैटरी लो हुई। अच्छा है।